This is one of the things where, like I said, you guys, you in a tight spot. You're in a tight spot because you're not supposed to do that. But technically, let me tell you what other people have done. Tell you what other people have done. I can do that. I can talk about what other people have done. Other people have removed inquiries before the account reported onto their credit report. And if you remove that inquiry before it's reported onto your credit report, um, then you don't have to worry about affecting that card, because you should not try to remove accounts from or remove inquiries from your credit reports when they are tied to accounts. But if you don't have that account reporting yet, then the inquiry can definitely come off and it's not going to affect you that much. Now, I'm not advocating for anything. I'm just telling you how it works. Like, I've seen other people do this. I've read comments, I've read so much, I've seen other videos. That's what other people are actually doing. So if you have that hard inquiry, if it's disputed before that account, if it's disputed before that credit card show up on your credit reports, nothing's going to happen with that credit card. If you already have that credit card reporting onto your credit reports right now and you're disputing it, then a lot of times you want to see that account get removed too. And that's not what you want. You want accounts to report to the credit bureaus if you're going to have them, because they're basically vouching for you to get more credit cards. If they're not reporting, then you shouldn't be